At Turf Product Solutions, we're proud to say Turf Animal is made right here in the USA. From the very first ingredient to the moment it arrives at your doorstep or local store, we control every step to make sure that your artificial turf is cleaner, safer, and long-lasting. Our journey starts with an all-natural, eco-friendly ingredients. We use live enzymes that actively break down pet odors, spills, and organic buildup in your turf without using any harsh chemicals or toxins. Turf Animal is food grade, Whole Foods eco-compliant, and completely safe for pets, kids, and the environment. Every batch is carefully blended, tested, and bottled in our American facility. We take pride in knowing each bottle represents quality you can trust. Once ready, Turf Animal is shipped to our warehouses, your local retail stores, and Amazon fulfillment centers all across the country, so you can get it quickly wherever you shop. But keeping your turf fresh is more than just cleaning. That's where our Zap Guard formula comes in. Turf Animal helps neutralize static electricity that can build up in your artificial turf, making your lawn more comfortable, your pets and kids, and reducing that annoying zap when you touch your turf after a dry day. For the ultimate turf care, pair your Turf Animal with our Turf Power Sweep. This powerful yet gentle machine removes leaves, sticks, and debris while also lifting and fluffing your turf fibers to keep your lawn looking brand new. Rakes, blowers, and power washers can damage turf, but the Turf Power Sweep is made especially for artificial grass. From mixing natural ingredients in America to shipping nationwide to helping you maintain a fresh, safe, and beautiful yard, Turf Product Solutions is here for you. Turf Animal, Zap Guard, and the Turf Power Sweep. Everything you need to protect your investment and keep your turf perfect from our yard to yours.